In this particular video, we will look into the details of second class of algae, that is rhodophyceae. Now the term rhodo refers to red. So these algae are commonly called as red algae. This particular red color comes due to the presence of pigment which is called as R-phycoerythrin, and this pigment is red in color, and that is why the members of rhodophyceae become red in color. Talking of the pigment, apart from this R-phycoerythrin, chlorophyll is also present. In this case, it is chlorophyll A and D which is present. Most members of this rhodophyceae are marine, and these are present more in the warmer areas, that is where the temperature of water is warm. Next, if we talk about the presence in aquatic habitats or water, so these occur in well lighted regions, that is towards the surface of water. These also occur at the great depths in ocean where there is little light present. So if this is ocean, then we will have algae that is present close to the surface. We will also have the members of rhodophyceae which are present at great depths. Talking of the organization, the body is obviously multicellular in the case of algae. Then food storage. Food storage differs in all the classes. In the case of rhodophyceae, the reserve food is called as Floridian starch. Now, this Floridian starch is similar to amylopectin. Now, amylopectin is present in the case of starch. There is amylose and amylopectin. So, this Floridian starch is similar to amylopectin, and it is also similar to glycogen. Talking about the composition of cell wall, in this particular case, it is cellulose, it is pectin, it is also polysulfate esters. So these three parts form the composition of cell wall. Talking about the reproduction part, all the three types of reproduction are present. The first is vegetative, second is asexual, and the third is sexual. Vegetative reproduction occurs by the process of fragmentation. Body will break into small fragments. Each fragment will give rise to the new plant. Asexual reproduction, it occurs by non-motile spores in this case. If we talk about sexual reproduction, it also occurs by non-motile gametes, and it is oogamous in the case of rhodophyceae. Talking about the important examples of rhodophyceae, the first example is Porphyra. We can look into this particular diagram. It is of Porphyra. The second example is Polysiphonia. This is the diagram of Polysiphonia. Then we can talk about Gracilaria and Gelidium. So these are important parts of rhodophyceae.